I'm Beth Hunter with Face First Fashion, and today I am sharing my full glam makeup routine for just a tired mom when you want to look amazing, you have a little bit of time on your hands. This is what I do every day when I record family photos or going out to date night. This is pretty much my basic full glam routine that I use. So just a lot of products that are going to help you look younger, but also just look more rested under the eyes and things like that. And also it's pretty simple. Once you get it down, I can usually do it in about 5 minutes. So I just kind of wanted to go over a lot of that. All the products are very affordable and just from brands I trust, I use all the time. And yeah, super excited to share this. I get requests all the time on Instagram for a full makeup tutorial, and it's really hard to fit that into a small time frame. So today we're really going to get into it and go through each and every product. Let's get into it. All right, I'll definitely be doing a separate skincare routine for morning and night posts, so you'll definitely want to subscribe now to follow up with that, and also doing a full hair tutorial. But don't forget to subscribe because I do share weekly Amazon finds that I'm loving, fashion, baby, mom. I am 5 months postpartum and with an adorable 5-month-old boy, but definitely make sure and subscribe so you can follow along for all the content. Okay, so starting off, I was going to show you one main skincare product that's skincare, but I definitely feel like is a full makeup need. I use this every day, even if I'm not doing my makeup. It is a tinted illuminating eye cream from Colleen Rothschild. It is incredible. It was actually my top seller for Prime Day. I've never had a beauty product be a top seller. It comes in this little bottle. I've had this one for like 3 months because it takes like tiny amounts underneath your eyes. It's a little bit tinted, as you can see here. The before and after is amazing as far as like the dark circles and all that. It definitely brightens the eye, and I wear this, like I said, every day. Even if I'm not doing my makeup, I'll go ahead and put this on, and it really helps out. All of my girlfriends are obsessed with it now. It's an absolute must-have, and be great stocking stuffer too. A lot of these things are going to be great presents, and then there's lots of them that will be great stocking stuffers, like my top-selling mascara. It's $10. You're going to want to get that. All right, so after the eye cream, I do pair it with my other eye product that is a must. These are the two mom secrets to looking rested that I use all the time. All right, It Cosmetics by My Under Eye is so good. As you can see here, the coverage is incredible. Now, I'm doing more coverage because I'm doing a full glam. It is full coverage, waterproof, and has anti-aging in it, which is great. I use shade 11.0 Light Nude just because I want that brightening effect. It's definitely much lighter than my skin tone, but I do want the brightening effect. Now, I will say, like I said, I covered very heavy here because I'm doing the full glam. I wear this every day as well before I leave the house, even if I'm jumping into car line, and I just put a tiny little dot here and a tiny little dot here and just kind of spread that out, and it gives just a little bit of that brightening, covers that dark circle. These two paired together, you look like you've had a good night's sleep, even if you have a newborn like me. Okay, so full glam makeup includes foundation. I have two foundations that I wear for full glam. A little bit about me, I used to be a nurse for 13 years, so I used to work 12-hour shifts. And the 12-hour shift makeup I always use were these two. This Estee Lauder Double Wear. She is a classic for a reason. Everybody, I feel like anytime you ask people that are doing makeup professionally, like the buildable full coverage foundations they use, this one is always mentioned. I use 3C1 Dusk, and this is pretty much a year-round one for me because I just really kind of, depending on my skin tone and tan, I will just add more bronzer instead of like changing my foundation a lot of times. But Double Wear is fantastic. Now, for this video, I'm wearing my Luminous Silk Giorgio Armani. Absolutely incredible foundation, guys. She is beautiful. She's worth all the hype. I love it. I use 5.75. Definitely a good skin tone match. It just gives you that perfect glow, flawless, very buildable, pore minimizing, like your pores just, you get such a beautiful airbrush look, and it will last all day as well. So I love that one. I wear it all the time. If you're curious about wanting to try it out, the smaller size is more affordable and it's such a good gift. Okay, so normally the way I did this video, I normally would do my eyeshadow first, but then I just kind of got doing the video and didn't want to wash it off. I do my eye first because especially if you're doing a full glam eye, you're really going to get underneath. You're going to get a lot of that dark residue falling down, so it can make your eyes look dark. So definitely do this first before doing your foundation. Okay, so I have two go-to palettes I have had for years. Guys, this is the second time I've actually bought this one. This is Soft Glam. I also love Modern Renaissance. It's incredible as well. But Soft Glam is more of just an everyday year-round palette. I wear this no matter what time of year. So beautiful, but I felt like for a full glam, more holiday look, this one is stunning, okay? You're getting just so many pinks, browns, and then you have a lot of base colors in there with some of that base, almost warm tones that you really want to accentuate the eye with, all in this one palette. You get your highlighters as well as your crease darkening. So I love this palette. It's such a classic. I use it all the time. As you can see, I go through and like show you exactly what colors. For the crease of my eye here, as you can see, like the base when I start out, I'm using the Mulberry and the Cyprus Umber. I just kind of mix those together. The Mulberry gives you more of a reddish tone, which is really nice. It gives you that warming. And then I like to, before I get started, again, I was kind of getting off topic, but the burnt orange is a really good all over base. That's kind of become a trend in the past couple years to really give that all over base of like a warm tone to really just make those eyes look deep and sultry. I like to do that all over, especially up on the brow bone, just really get it up there as you can see here. So I went ahead and did my darken the crease over here, and then I went ahead and did the all over with that burnt orange to really just accentuate that eye and get the deepening tones and really make your eyes pop. So we like that, do that. It's really beautiful. Next up, I'm gonna take this Sultry, which I love her. That is the most beautiful shimmer ever. Screaming holidays and fall. I absolutely love it. We just had family photos this week and I was wearing pretty much this exact eye combo. Really beautiful. You want to get that right in that center, make that middle eye and like the way that people look at you, and then your eyes are popping upwards and they just really brighten up that eye. So you're gonna get that in there. I love shimmer. I feel like some people feel like after your 30s, you need to do matte all the time. I just don't think so. I think shimmer's really beautiful, especially for the holidays. I really think it makes your eyes pop and just looks overall really fantastic. So now I get asked all the time how I do a liquid liner. Well, I'm telling you, I never did before I got this product, okay? This double take from Tarte is incredible. So it has liquid on the one side, and then it has the pencil on the other. Both are black. I really like that. But the liquid is literally just like a pen, as you can see here. You just draw it on. It's so nice. It's so easy. You're not getting too much. I feel like when you're doing a liquid eye, it's really hard if you're doing that and then it just like squirts you all of a sudden and you're like, is this a joke? And so it ruins your eye. So this liquid on this pencil is amazing. It really controls how much comes out, so you're never just getting a big blotch on your eye. It just really comes smoothly across there. I love it. I feel like I've never really messed up my eye with this, and if I can usually just like touch it up throughout. And then the pencil, of course, is just nice to have for like days you're not doing the full glam, you're not doing the liquid. I really like a liquid eye. I feel like it really darkens, really pops. And then when you put on your mascara or false eyelashes, if you use those, it really just like brings that eye out to the side and pops those lashes up. Okay, some of my favorite brush brands are IT Cosmetics from Ulta. I absolutely love them. That's what this one is. I will put the exact number down here of the brush that it is because they're numbered. But this one is a full coverage slant, a foundation brush. I really like that. And then this one I use to really blend the bronzer. And then this is for my concealer to really get in there. I love that. My blush brush is just this old angled brush that my dog ate. But I will link my favorite IT Cosmetics one that you just can go on as well. That's my favorite brand. I always go back to those. They're really, really good brushes. Really clean easily. I will also link my favorite brush cleaner. I use EcoTools brush cleaner and it's amazing. Like I absolutely love it. Okay, let's get into contouring products. Oh my gosh. Okay, I do love an under eye concealer because I'm so tired as a new mom, but I'm telling you, bronzer is a game changer. If you're not using bronzer, and even I would go as far as to say as liquid bronzer, you are missing out. So I do have some favorite brush powder bronzers, but I'm telling you, the liquid, I was scared of it for so long. I was like, oh my gosh, this will be a mess. It will look terrible. I wear it 5 times a week now. It's so good. I love it. So easy to blend. I use Tarte Sculpt Tape. It's so good. It's the contour, and I use warm bronze. The first time I used it, I was like, oh my gosh. And I have cool bronze as well, but it just, I'm telling you, it's so easy. It's so beautiful. This is so good for a full glam makeup. You just really need this Sculpt Tape to like sculpt up those. And so you can just like boom, boom, boom up here And then it's really nice. I feel like it sculpts your face well without looking crazy. And it's just so beautiful. They have, like I said, the cool bronze, warm bronze. They have some darker ones, obviously for darker skin tones. They're just stunning. I absolutely love them. Now they also have the blush tape and the shape tape. Really, this is like a Tarte situation because I absolutely love it. No one does it quite like them. So the blush tape is gorgeous as well. I used Coral for this video. Same type of thing. You're just putting it right there and then you're blending upwards. We're always pulling upwards and blending upwards, ladies, especially after your 30s, but really everyone. You want to just really pull that face up, pull the features up, higher, better. Nobody wants slouchy cheeks. You know what I'm saying? All right. So we're pulling that up. And I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. This is such a good holiday gift too. They have this as a gift set. I have all 3 shades and they came in like a smaller version, which I like because you're using such a little amount. Like I've had this one for, I don't even know, probably a year. I'm not even kidding you, because you're using just like such a little amount. And the same with these. So I like that you can get the 3-pack and then you can have all 3 shades of the blush, which I really like. I have all 3 shades. I think I use Coral probably the most, but there's a pink in there that's really, really pretty. All right, shape tape, ladies. Shape tape goes right in here and right in here. I know we've went to the eyes a few times and we're gonna do it again before we're out of here. Okay, because we're tired. We're tired moms, but also just the highlighting, doing all that. This is such a good way to really highlight, still getting some coverage, but I really use it mostly as a highlighter. As you can see here and here, and you're blending with this brush all the way through, okay? And again, with this, you're pulling up and it really like will snatch that eye up and it'll snatch this cheek up. Just the whole area is pulled upward. Looks amazing, okay? I wanna say it's 12N. I will make sure I get that exact color. You're using such a small amount in these products. I mean, you're buying these once a year, maybe twice, like literally. So that's so good. Financially, obviously it's a great call, but then also as gifts, people will get to use them for longer times and it's great. Also, we're back with the eye. I'll just go ahead and finish out the under eye. When I am done, I use this finishing powder. I sometimes will do it all over my face, but mostly I use those little triangles. I get them on Amazon in a 6-pack. And they just like press right into there, press along here, here, like just spots that really absorb oil for me or really have a lot of oil for me. But mostly the under eye, you're just gonna press in that powder and it's a really good finishing touch. I'm telling you, it gives you this beautiful photo finish, really important. So I always use those right along here and it's great. All right, the $10 mascara. This mascara has been a top seller for me for 2 months. Again, big day deals. You guys went crazy for it on Amazon. It is $10. I am a tried and true, have to have my Tarte mascara, which I still love. My Tarte tubing mascara, it's incredible. I still use both of these. But this Firework mascara is amazing. It's $10 on Amazon and it is so good. As you can see here, just layers those lashes. If you're not going behind your lash, you're missing a really big part of your lash that's looking amazing. So if you're just doing the front, you're just putting that on the front like one way and not scooping up behind those lashes, you've got to start doing that. It just really makes those pop. And then honestly curls them. I never use a lash curler because I do that. I feel like it just really curls those lashes up. But oh my gosh, they look so good. But before we leave lashes, we have to talk about this Grande Lash. I use Grande Lash all the time. It's so amazing. I use it every single night. Usually I use it every like 2nd or 3rd night once I get my lashes back, but I started using it again after baby. So I've been using it every day and this is what makes me have the long luscious lashes that I love so much without having to put on like glue and all that kind of stuff, as well as going to the salon to get just spending hours. Nobody has time for that, especially new moms. So this is my lash secret. My 2 brow weapons are I actually try to get them tinted and I haven't had them tinted in a while. So I was glad because you really got to see on this video that situation. So I used a micro brow pencil in ash brown and then the NYX Control Freak just to keep that in place, which I really like. Both of these, I use these. I just draw it out, ladies. I do try to get them waxed and tinted and I haven't in a while, or usually they look a lot better, but it is what it is. Okay, getting into lip because it's holiday. I like to do more in fall and winter with my lip. I like to do a lot more color. So Too Faced lip injection is what we start with here. I usually do that at the beginning, I forgot, and then let it sit while I'm doing my makeup. It will give you a pinkening because it is giving that lip plumper and it's making them tingle, get them plumped. I think seriously, it makes a huge difference. I have been using it for years. I absolutely love this one. And then this pencil, I'm obsessed with this pencil. I always try to use a different one and I can't. It is the NYX pencil. It is Nude Truffle. It is the best color. Okay, and it looks, when you first put it on, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, you look like a Christina Aguilera music video. You don't, because it's like really dark and brown, but it blends so well. So I love that. It's absolutely amazing. I went ahead and did use my Pillow Talk Medium 2.0 here because I do feel like Pillow Talk is just a classic and this is a more fall tone. In this video, for some reason, when I do it on my camera, I feel like it looks a lot pinker. It is more of a like just a brownie nude. It's just really beautiful. I love it. And then I went ahead and did, as a gloss over it, the Honeysuckle Marucci Juicy Lip. Now, I will say the Honeysuckle, for some reason, when you do the lip injection version, is a different shade. So you want to do the pink tube of this one, the light pink one, Juicy Lip, and for the Honeysuckle to get that really pretty. It's just a really pretty like brownie nude pinkish, I don't even know, really pretty gloss for fall. I absolutely love it. Now, if you wanted to brighten it a little, I would suggest the Tarte Juicy Lip Bubblegum. That one is more of just like a clean, like clearish pink, but it gives you like a little bit of plump as well as just that shine. So yeah. This is my lip combo for fall, guys, and I love it. I think it looks so pretty. All right, and so I will put too, if you're going out and say this is for like a wedding or something like that, I will put my favorite setting spray, Up All Nighter. She's a classic. She will last all night. I use it all the time. Any of the events I go to, award shows, things like that, that is what I'm wearing, and it lasts. And when I get my makeup done, I will say that that is what they use to set our makeup as well. Almost every time I get my makeup done professionally. So, all right. I just absolutely love these products. These are products I've been using for years. I will say, obviously, a lot of people, I feel like, you know, there's a lot of different trends in makeup and things like this, but this one I feel like you just look classic, you look timeless for photos, things like that, and you're still just able to have time to get ready. Okay, that is the finished look of all these products. I absolutely love this. I feel like it's just kind of a timeless classic look. I've been using it for years. I feel like it looks good in photos, for weddings, award shows, things like that, but then also that's what I do to record, or some days if I just want to look fully put together, it's very nice. So I just love this. I think it's, again, I think it looks great. Once you get it down, it's very fast. And again, a lot of times I will do pretty much all of this, but I just like for days, say I'm running to get like, you know, my son has a program at the school, I want to look together. I will do the face, but you know, of course the eyes, I just do a little bit less, a little bit quicker, you know, not do the full lips, things like that. But I do feel like this is the contouring. Anytime I'm doing my makeup, this is the foundation and contour process that I'm doing. And I feel like it's super fast once you do it, and it's just, it looks fantastic every time. So I'm a full believer in feeling your best every day, sometimes with less, sometimes with more. So I absolutely love these products, and I will link everything below. And don't forget to subscribe below, because I'll definitely be going over skincare and hair. But of course, on a regular basis, I share Amazon and Target and affordable fashion for everyone.